Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best air fryer rack is probably one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in recent years. It allows you to enjoy the crispy, delicious results of air frying, but with the convenience of your existing oven. This accessory is designed to maximize airflow and ensure even cooking, making it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking game and achieve perfectly cooked meals every time. Number 5. Gotham Steel XXL Air Fryer Basket and Tray Pan. This is the Gotham Steel Air Fryer Basket. It's designed for those who love crispy foods. It makes cooking easier. Made with durable aluminum and a non-stick copper coating, it's built to last. The construction ensures even cooking and easy food release. This versatile basket is great for baking, frying, roasting, and crisping. It handles a variety of cooking tasks with ease. With its 3-quart size, you can prepare large meals. It's perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. Cleaning up is a breeze because it's dishwasher safe. Simply put it in the dishwasher after use. What we like? This Gotham Steel basket boasts a durable non-stick copper coating, ensuring your food doesn't stick, and cleanup is a breeze. It's also got a large capacity, perfect for preparing family-sized meals. If you're looking for an oven air fryer rack that combines durability, capacity, and easy cleaning, this one is a great choice. What people say. Food doesn't stick, there's no rust or flaking of the copper finish, and it heats evenly. It does help that it's a basket style so things can crisp on the bottom. It's very sturdy and feels high quality. It's easy to clean too. Easy clean up. I would recommend. Number 4. Nordic Ware Extra Large Oven Crisping Baking Tray. This tray from Nordic Ware lets you air crisp in your oven. It's designed to help you achieve perfectly roasted meats, bacon, and more. With this tray, you can easily roast meats, bacon, fries, and even make homemade jerky. The possibilities are endless with this versatile kitchen tool. The pan is made of durable aluminum, and the rack is carbon steel. This combination ensures even heating and long-lasting performance, with heat safe up to 400 degrees. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply hand wash it with warm, soapy water. Avoid extended soaking to keep it in top condition. The pan exterior, including the rack, measures 21.1 by 15.8 by 2.3 inches. Without the rack, the pan measures 21 by 15 by 2 inches. Make sure it fits comfortably in your oven. What we like? The Nordic Ware tray offers an extra large size, maximizing your oven's capacity for crisping. It comes with a rack, ideal for roasting and air frying a variety of foods. If you like cooking large batches of food and need a reliable rack, this is the one for you. What people say. Fantastic pan. Deep enough so drippings don't spill while handling, that the fit in a tray is perfect for even baking tops and bottoms of items, and washed easily with a little soapy water. Durable and super effective for oven use. I have not noticed any warping. It's quite versatile as I use this regularly for both grilling, broiling, drying, and baking. I can't believe how impressed I am with this pan. The rack is coated similar to those coated closet racks for pantries. I was shocked that nothing sticks to it, and any food residue left sitting on top after cooking just wipes away with a cloth. The pan is also finely big enough to cook large amounts of food on. The rack is a couple inches above the bottom of the pan. There is plenty of room for the air to circulate. Most times I don't even need to flip my food. Not only that, it has cut down the cooking time as well. Number 3. Air Fryer Tray and Basket Set, Stainless Steel. Tired of messy cooking? This set is designed to make your life easier. It's perfect for fries, bacon, and chicken. Made from stainless steel, this set is both non-stick and durable. You can cook with confidence knowing it will last. Cleaning is a breeze too. With dimensions of 12.8 foot x 9.7, it fits perfectly in your oven. It provides ample space for all your favorite foods. Whether you're roasting, baking, or air frying, this set handles it all. It's a versatile addition to any kitchen. The non-stick surface makes cleaning simple. Just a quick wash, and it's ready for the next meal. It saves you time and effort. What we like? This set features a stainless steel, non-stick mesh design, ensuring even cooking and easy food release. The two-piece set provides versatility for various cooking needs. If you're looking for a durable and versatile air fryer set, consider this one. What people say. Gets food nice and crispy, catches what it needs to in the drip pan, and is great when your oven only comes with one air fryer pan from the manufacturer. These little baskets make short work of wings, fries, and things in the convection oven. They enable a better 360-degree cooking possibility. The little drip pans are a great touch and have doubled as tiny cookie pastry sheets. So far cleanups have been simple, slight scrub then into dishwasher, and they're holding up to rather continuous use. The baskets are quite sturdy with very fine mesh. I soak them after each use, then scrub them with either a brush or a non-scratching scrubby, and they come clean easily. Number 2. Frigidaire AIRFRYTRAY Oven Insert, Silver Basket. Introducing the Frigidaire Air Fry Tray, a genuine OEM part. It's designed and engineered to exact specifications, ensuring top-notch quality and performance for your appliance. This Frigidaire Air Fry Tray is built with stainless steel. This construction ensures durability, making it a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. The Air Fry Tray offers a large cooking capacity. It's perfect for preparing family-sized meals such as chicken wings, French fries, and tater tots. The high-quality Frigidaire Air Fry Tray comes with an air fry basket, measuring 18.4 foot, x 15.3, x 0.8, and an oven rack, measuring 24.1, x 15.3. With Frigidaire, you're guaranteed effortless features and quality materials. This ensures the highest quality performance, providing you with reliable service for the life of your appliances. What we like. The Frigidaire Air Fry Tray is a genuine OEM part, ensuring quality and compatibility. It offers a large cooking capacity, perfect for family meals. If you have a compatible Frigidaire oven and want a reliable, high-capacity air frying solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The air fryer rack fits perfectly in my oven. It is easy to clean. The air fryer rack is sturdy. Number 1. VIVIRBIEN 2-piece stainless steel air fryer basket set. Introducing the VIVIRBIEN air fryer basket set. This set transforms your conventional oven into an air fryer. It ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked food. The stainless steel mesh basket allows heat to circulate all around the food. This design ensures even cooking without the need to flip anything. It's perfect for fries, bacon, and chicken. Enjoy a healthier alternative to traditional frying. This set lets you cook your favorite fried foods with less oil. Any excess oil will drip onto the tray below. The included tray catches crumbs and drippings, keeping your oven clean. It also functions as a cookie sheet. This set helps prevent a messy oven and reduces smoke. The VIVIRBIEN air fryer basket is made with PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium-free materials. This ensures a healthy and safe cooking experience. You can cook with confidence. Cleanup is a breeze with this air fryer basket set. It's dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time cleaning. Simply put it in the dishwasher after cooking. What we like. This air fryer basket ensures uniform heat distribution for perfectly cooked food every time. It promotes healthy cooking by allowing oil to drip away. If you like healthy cooking and easy cleanup, you should consider this one. What people say. Works in convection oven. The larger size provides ample space to cook a substantial amount of food, whether it's fries, bacon, chicken, or any other favorite dish. And the best part? I can now cook 2 different dishes simultaneously, thanks to the inclusion of 2 separate baskets. It's a time saver that I didn't know I needed until now. The stainless steel material doesn't stain or retain odors, which means cleaning up is a breeze. I can simply pop the baskets and tray into the dishwasher or give them a quick hand wash without any hassle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.